Did you water the plants?
Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for the reminder.
Are you still on for lunch?
Yes, I'll see you at noon.
What's the best way to get around the city?
The subway is usually the fastest.
How was your vacation?
It was very relaxing and fun.
Are you going to the gym today?
I'm not sure yet.
What are you having for breakfast?
Just some toast and coffee.
How's your family?
They're all doing well.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yes, it was on the top shelf.
What's your favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird.
Can I borrow your phone charger?
Sure, here you go.
What did you do last night?
I just stayed in and watched a movie
How long have you been working here?
for about 3 years.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich.
What's the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
How do you spell that?
RECOMMEND.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Did you remember to turn off the lights?
Oh, I think I did.
What's the best way to learn a new language?
Practicing with a native speaker helps a lot.
Are you tired?
A little bit, yeah.
What's your favorite dessert?
Definitely chocolate cake.
Can I get you another drink?
I'm fine for now, thank you.
How's the weather in your city?
It's a bit cloudy today.
What's the plan for the day?
Just running a few errands.
Did you check the mail?
Not yet.
What's the biggest city in the world?
Tokyo is one of the largest.
How was your commute today?
It was okay, a bit of traffic.
Are you coming to the meeting?
I'm running a little late, but I'll be there.
What's the matter?
Nothing, just a bit stressed about work.
How long will this take?
About 15 minutes.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Always be kind.
Are you happy with the results?
Yes, I'm very pleased.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love to read.
Did you find the remote?
Yes, it was under the couch cushion.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met in elementary school.
Can you pass me the remote?
Sure, here you go.
What's the best time to visit?
I'd say spring or fall.
Are you staying long?
Just a couple of days.
What are you having for lunch?
I think I'll get a salad.
How was your day at school?
It was good, a little bit boring.
Have you finished the report?
Not yet, but I'm almost done.
What do you want for your birthday?
Nothing, just your company.
Can you believe this weather?
I know, it's beautiful.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having tacos.
How was your trip?
It was amazing, I loved it.
Did you find your keys?
Yes, they were in my pocket the whole time.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
I'm not sure yet, we'll see.
Are you getting cold?
A little bit, yeah.
Can I borrow a pen?
Sure, here you go.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like a good latte.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was really funny.
What are you reading?
A fantasy novel.
How are you feeling today?
Much better, thank you.
What's the weather like?
It's a bit cloudy.
Are you free for lunch?
I am. What time were you thinking?
What's new?
Not much, same old.
How was your weekend?
It was great, really relaxing.
Can you help me with this?
I can try. What do you need?
What time are we meeting?
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
How did the meeting go?
It was productive.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Just staying in and watching a movie.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I could eat something.
What did you do today?
I went for a walk.
Did you lock the door?
Oh, I think so. Let me check.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's coffee break 2025.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
What should we watch?
How about that new sci-fi show?
What's your favorite color?
I really like green.
Have you eaten yet?
I just had a snack.
What's the temperature outside?
It's around 60 degrees.
Can I get you anything?
Just a cup of tea, please.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did. I'll reply soon.
What time are you leaving?
Around 5:30.
How was work today?
It was a bit hectic.
Do you need a ride?
That would be great, thanks.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm into classic rock.
Can you turn down the volume?
Oh, sorry, of course.
Where did you get that?
I bought it online.
Are we still on for tomorrow?
Yup, wouldn't miss it.
What's the big news?
I got a new job.
Have you been here before?
No, first time.
What do you think?
I think it's a great idea.
Can you help me move this?
Sure, what is it?
Do you have any plans for the week?
Just catching up on some errands.
Are you coming?
I'm on my way now.
What's the best way to get there?
Taking the bus is probably easiest.
How do you feel about that?
I feel good about it.
Did you have a good time?
It was a blast.
Do you want to grab coffee?
I'd love to.